Yes, so good morning everyone. Yes. Good morning, very good morning to everyone present here. So this is what Nifty is doing today. എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലൊരു good morning നേരുന്നു, നല്ലൊരു ദിവസമായിരിക്കട്ടെ എല്ലാവർക്കും. And yes. So we are watching Nifty, and this is what Nifty is doing. Okay, so Nifty opened with a gap up of almost how much is it? Close to 70-80 points. Close to 70 points. Opened at around 24,287. Okay, 287. But then, 24,787. I'm sorry. Yes, 24,787, and then has dropped 150 points now. Okay, 160 points in the space of 20 minutes. Sobin PV says good morning. Good morning, Sobin. Good morning, Sobin. Yes. Okay. So yes. Okay. So yesterday also we had a not exactly exact thing, but we had a similar thing. We opened, yes, slightly gap down, then went all the way up to 530 levels. So this is yesterday's low. Okay, 530 levels, and then it pulled back. So we also took a trade when Nifty broke above. Nifty took support at 550 and was going to break above. So we could catch some 30% rally yesterday from around 550 to around 650. Only 100 points. We couldn't make the most of it because at this point, somewhere near 620 to 650 range, we had a selling pressure slightly building. So we thought, okay, we had to exit. So we exited at partial quantities multiple times, and yes, then the market did its thing. It went up also, but again from 106 to around 140-45, it was a good pick. Okay, so that rally was caught. Half of that rally was caught. Okay. So what do we do now? Okay, our trade setup for today, and as you can see the volume here, the volume building up is not significant, not very significant. It is just average volumes, and we'll see. Seems to be taking support exactly at 600, the low of 601. But there is a but. It remains to be seen. We'll wait and see how this develops. Okay. So we had done this yesterday. Nifty had a fall and we took the Fibonacci. I wasn't streaming. I know I wasn't streaming yesterday. Okay, so but still, okay, Nifty went all the way down to this point. Okay, so for yesterday's trade, this was yesterday's trade setup. Okay, there was a high created here, and above the 0.382, the bullers, the buyers were also showing strength. So taking support at 550, when we took a trade when Nifty took support at 550 multiple times and up until here. So this versus scale, yes. Yes, so this was the price range which we traded yesterday. It was around 0.36 percentage. That's it, 0.36, 0.4 percentage. And might we see a similar thing today? I don't know. But we'll see. So this Fibonacci for today, it is from the day's high to the day's low as of now, and anything above 750, okay, anything above 750 will most probably take Nifty up. That is what we expect. And today is also SENSEX expiring, right? So I don't know if the issue with SENSEX was resolved. I had an issue in indices, yes. Yes. I don't know what the issue is. Still there is something. Okay. Anyway, so Nifty has fallen to the 600 levels and seems to be taking support there. So what I'll probably be doing is, and we are already at a decent position today. We had already spread spread two put options, 79, 500 and 300 put at respectively 36 and 47, which have come to reasonable profits now, and I am supposed to exit two of my quantities to manage my funds due to margin shortfall. Yes. Okay, so yes, I think by now this should be fine. Yes. Yes, so by now this is fine. And we'll also take a look at what Sensible says. Okay, so yeah, I'll directly show you what is with the Sensible analysis. Looking at the OI data, we'll be tracking the OI data live as well, and so we will go and check that too. Yes. So Nifty breaking below 24,600, breaking our levels, and we are not quickly jumping into anything soon. Okay. Okay, so Nifty is coming down to, and so what will we be ready with? Okay, I'm just tracking multiple things here, just pardon with me. So we are up here with the 24,700 PE is not required, and I will add the 24,500, right? 24,000 5th June 500 put. I will add and keep it here. Yes, 24,500 put. Okay, so this is what I will be ready with. But oh my god, the 24,600 put is at 186 and this one at 139. I'll just be ready with 24,500 put and the 25,900 call too. Okay, if at all it breaks above the 750 range, the 24,900 Nifty come on. The 24,900 call. Yes, these are what I am ready with. I mean, I don't want SENSEX. There is something wrong with SENSEX. Okay, so excuse me for a minute. Yes. Just sorry for the interruption. Uh, there was a password reset. Okay. So. Yes. Okay, so yes, higher the sellers are in the advanced position, and the 24,700 put will add to our watch list. Okay, the 24,700, and obviously we know there is a resistance, but it seems to be increasing now. So at 700 and now at 650. Or we'll go to 650 first of all, 650, and then we'll see the 600 too. $50 is a race, it's a neck and neck race. But 700 again, definite resistance. This seems to be a definite resistance. And if we look at if we go to the 15-minute time frame, would possibly mean Nifty going up, very possibly. Okay, so that is the day's high is the thing we have marked here. So if at all any, we will consider our trades possibly, especially this being the SENSEX expiry too. Yes, what does sensible tell us? Sensible analysis, market analysis. Yes. So FIs have sold 2,600 crores of shares yesterday. That is in the stock data, and the PCR is at 0.9, neutral to mildly bullish, we can say. Yes, but overall 0.7. Okay, 800 is a resistance, 24,800 is a resistance, and even we have tracked that to 24,800 is a resistance. So chart is slightly bullish and OI resistance at 24,800, but if gone, we are headed to 25,000. That's what sensible says. Derivatives data, options positive, futures negative. Okay, mixed signal. So we will see further up move. If 24,800 breaks, we are headed higher, is what again sensible says. Okay, so 24,800 is to be taken out, is what we are waiting for. Okay, so this is the one in which we have drawn the this is where you have Nifty, fine. Yes, so this is the trend line. As you can see, Nifty has been following for the past few days. and these are our positions for you to see. Okay, we have traded for 79,500 put and 79,300 put. We were bullish on the market in a very conservative manner, I have to say. So we shorted the 79,500 put as well as the 79,300 put. Okay, so this is the one. So ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഡേയ്സ് P&L, and okay, this is days history. We had to നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് പൊസിഷൻ എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു, and SENSEX currently is at 81,150. So we can definitely roll over this 79,300 to possibly to 80,000. 79,300 we already have, and 80,000. SENSEX 3rd June put option. Yes, today is 3rd of June. Yes, that is at 50 rupees. Oh, it is still 1.4% away, so it shouldn't be of any concern for me. Again, considering 80,000 should be a support. And yes, Ryan saying good morning. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning. Good morning. So considering 80,000 being a support, we'll see if we can go for 79,800 with a 200 point buffer. I just want to be safe. That's it. I don't want to be concerned about all these things after a while. So I think I can go for 120 quantities here at 79,800. But we'll have to look at Nifty again. There doesn't seem to be much of a negativity as of now. I mean, it's still consolidating in this range, and possibly if Nifty can go to 500 levels, I am fine. 150 points. Okay, if Nifty goes to the 250 points, so 24,400, I am fine. So I think I should be fine there. So I am exiting. I am exiting my 160 quantity here, and I am entering half of that. Okay, half of that at this point. Yeah, 33. Yes, half of that at 33, and I still should be left with some funds. Yes, which if required I will use later. Okay, even if Nifty falls today is SENSEX expiry, so I have rolled it over 79,300 to 79,800. So why did I do that? So because I was supposed to get 160 into 8. Okay, 160 into 8 was my profit, which was yet to be realized. 160 into 8, around 1,280 rupees, but I rolled it to 79,800. So 80 into 33 is what I'll realize. So I'll get an extra 1,300. So I'll go to 2,500 rupee profit from there. So yes, if Nifty is breaking, Nifty is coming to 500 levels, I will possibly, yes, I'll possibly go for more of my positions here. 79,800. Yes, I still have probably another definitely 3 lots to do, so I can average it there and improve my profits while being safe also, while being safe too. So that is what I am doing today. I don't see much of a negativity in the market. There is CJC Chinnan says good morning. Good morning, Chinnan. Good morning. Yes. So I don't see much of a negativity in Nifty, if at all, to probably 24,500 possible. Below that, I don't think so. I don't know. I mean, not I don't know. I don't think so. Of course, we don't know. Market does not give anyone the absolute evidence or clue. There is no such thing. Now 24 630. $600 is broken. We are heading possibly to this 24 530 levels. Amal saying നമസ്കാരം എന്താണ് അല്ലേ നമസ്കാരം നമ്മുടെ ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനാലിസിസ് കോഴ്സ് തേഴ്സ്ഡേ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാണ് hope you remember. Okay, it starts on Friday in fact, but we will do a quick roundup of the basics of stock market, 60 to 70 minutes, so that you get smoothly into the technical analysis course. Okay. So this is given as a bonus for everyone who have joined the course. So to people who are attending, if Sobin, Ryan or whoever it is, so people who don't know, we are doing a technical analysis mastery course this weekend. Okay, Team Finance with AB is doing technical analysis mastery, where you can master all the technicals of the market. I mean, most of the technicals of the market, the support and resistance levels, trend analysis, candlestick patterns, indicators, strategies, and much more. Okay, all live classes, and the recorded sessions will also be provided. And we had done a stock market beginners guide, so people who have attended that were actually really happy, and many of them have joined for the technical analysis mastery course too. So they have come through a proper channel now, as far as we know. So to enable people, the new people who have come to us in technical analysis mastery course, to do the same, to enable them to do the same, we are giving them a stock market beginners course of a very short session, okay, for them to be acquainted into the new environment. Doing that too, we'll see how this turns out. So if this level is broken, Nifty is then going still further down, I guess. Currently I am my new position has taken me to a loss of around 376, no, 37 rupees, whatever. I'm not doing anything now. I'll just wait and possibly enter at a better price later. If not, my position is still fine. Samad says hi Samad. Hello, how is Wayanad? Rahima says hi നമസ്കാരം. ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിൽ പോകേണ്ട സമയം ഉണ്ടാവല്ലോ, ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിലാണ് വേറെ. So these are our positions for today, the positions we have taken up. I mean, this was also included in the last day's P&L too, part of that, but most of it is realized today only. This is our latest position, 79,800 put. We shorted at 33, currently at 37. We don't expect the market to go below 80,000 is what I expect. So anyway, if at all some hiccups happen, I've got another 200 points buffer. Market is currently at 81,060. If required, I'll short more on 79,700 or 500, because I have some more fund left. എവിടെ നിഫ്റ്റി? സോ ഈ പൊസിഷനിൽ ഞാനൊരു ട്രേഡിങ്ങും ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഐ വിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ബി റെഡി വിത്ത് നമ്മുടെ ഇൻഷുറൻസ് അവിടെ 24,600 put, 24,500 put is ready with me. 24,900 call is also ready with me. 25,000 call. Lipsa gems. Yes, so these two. Okay. And as we usually say, positions in the dark. Yeah. Better readability. Currently at 4.3K. And this one will go for the chart. Black and 16 in size. So this two has to be white. The letters has to be 16 and this one has to be black in size. Okay, fine. So this is 25,000, 24,500 put. So you go for the 24,900 call 2. Yes. And our positions, yes. This one also turned into profits. We'll wait and see. And considering this is the expiry, we might enter into probably some hero trades too towards the end of the day. You know, last Thursday we did this, right? And we were slightly profitable, not hugely, but slightly profitable, I have to say. Why PE? What is your target for today? It depends on whether Nifty breaks someone. Okay, Nifty 600 break ചെയ്യുമോ എന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കുകയാണ്. സോ 600 ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കാരണം ഓൾറെഡി നമ്മുടെ ഫിബനാച്ചി ഇതുമാണ്, പിന്നെ ഇന്നലത്തെ ഒരു ക്രൂഷ്യൽ ലെവലാണ്. ഇന്നലത്തെ 600 ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്തപ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ മുകളിലേക്ക് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്തത്. സോ 600 ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത താഴേക്ക് ആൻഡ് താഴെ ഇൻ ഓൾ പോസിബിലിറ്റീസ് ടു 500 ലെവൽസ്, ക്ലോസ് ടു 500 ലെവൽസ്. ഇതിന് സംഭവിക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യം ഞാൻ ആദ്യം മലയാളത്തിലും പിന്നീട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും പറയാം. ഓക്കെ, സോ നിഫ്റ്റി നമ്മൾ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 24,500നും 25,100നും ഇടയിലായിട്ട് ഐ വിൽ ഷോ ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് നിഫ്റ്റി. ഓക്കെ, so if you look at the day candle, okay, so just look at this day candle. Okay, Nifty ഇത്രയും സമയം, I mean I'll just remove this. Okay, ഇത്രയും ദിവസങ്ങൾ നിഫ്റ്റി ഒരേ റേഞ്ചിൽ കളിച്ച ഒരു ഇൻസിഡന്റ് ഈസ് റെയർ ആക്ച്വലി. ഓക്കെ, നിഫ്റ്റി ഹാസ് ബീൻ പ്ലേയിങ് ഇൻ ദിസ് റേഞ്ച്. ഈ കാണുന്ന ഒരു റേഞ്ചിൽ നിഫ്റ്റി ഹാസ് ബീൻ പ്ലേയിങ് ഫോർ സോ ലോങ്, ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് സം 500-600 പോയിന്റ്സ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഇറ്റ്. അത്ര നിഫ്റ്റി കളിക്കുന്നു ഒരുപാടായി. ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് വെൻ ഐ listen to a video which made so much sense. Okay, there the content creator was telling this could be due to the lack of liquidity in the market because of block deals. Okay, because of block deals. And block deals വരുമ്പോൾ സംഭവിക്കുന്നത് ഒരുപാട് പൈസ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് പോകും. ഒരുപാട് പേര് വലിയ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻസ് ഒരുപാട് പൈസയ്ക്ക് സെല്ല് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, സോ അതിനനുസരിച്ച് ബയേഴ്സ് അവിടെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. പക്ഷെ അവരെടുക്കുന്ന ആ പൈസ ഉടനെ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ തിരിച്ചു വരണമെന്നില്ല. അവർ വേറെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യും. സോ അവർ ആ പൈസ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത്രയും പൈസ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് പോയി. പൈസ പോവാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ലിക്വിഡിറ്റി കുറയുകയാണ്. ആ ലിക്വിഡിറ്റി കുറയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും മാർക്കറ്റിന്റെ മൂവ്മെന്റ് കുറയും. അങ്ങനെ മൂവ്മെന്റ് കുറയുന്നതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു റേഞ്ചിൽ കിടന്ന് ഇറ്റ്സ് ബീൻ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 20 days now, 20 days plus, more than 20 days now that we are trading. നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു 500-600 പോയിന്റ്സിൽ നിഫ്റ്റി കളിക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് ടു നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം 25,000 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വളരെ ക്രൂഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലെവലിന്റെ അടുത്താണ് നമ്മൾ കളിക്കുന്നത്. 25,100നും 24,500നും ഇടയ്ക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ ആ ലിക്വിഡിറ്റി മിസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, അവിടെ ലിക്വിഡിറ്റി കുറവാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഒന്ന് താഴേക്ക് വന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടെയുള്ള കുറേ പേരുടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് എല്ലാം അടിച്ച്, ബൈ ചെയ്യാൻ വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നവർ കുറേ പേരുടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഒക്കെ അടിച്ച് ഈ പ്രൈസിൽ വിൽക്കാൻ വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നവർ, അവർ മാർക്കറ്റ് താഴേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ വിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു അവസ്ഥയിലേക്ക് എത്തുന്ന ആളുകളുടെ സ്റ്റോക്ക് എല്ലാം വാങ്ങിച്ചിട്ട്, ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞു, വാങ്ങിച്ചിട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് റൈസ് ചെയ്യിക്കാനായിരിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടുന്ന് മാർക്കറ്റിനെ മുകളിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകാനായിരിക്കാം. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് എ പോസിബിലിറ്റി. അഗെയിൻ സോൾലി മൈ വ്യൂ. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ കാണുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്. സോ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ വി കുഡ് ബി സീയിങ് അഗെയിൻ 24,500. വി മൈറ്റ് ബി സീയിങ് 24,500 കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് then if we are breaking the 24,500 then 700 and above or possibly 800 and above, then very possibility നമ്മൾ ആ ലിക്വിഡിറ്റി എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി മാർക്കറ്റ് താഴേക്ക് വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. then വളരെ സാധ്യത കൂടുതലുള്ള 25,000 പിന്നീട് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യും, 25,100 ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും പിന്നീട് മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകാനായിരിക്കും എന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് അത് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് കാര്യമായിട്ട് വലിയ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഇല്ല. നമ്മൾ ചാർട്ട് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഓൾ ടൈം ഹൈയെ പിന്നീടുള്ളൂ. ഒരു കൺസിഡറബിൾ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് പറയാം. 26,000 പോലും അത്ര വലിയ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും ദിവസം ഇവിടെ കൺസോളിഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഇനി വരുന്ന റാലിക്കും നല്ല സ്ട്രെങ്ത് ഉണ്ടാവണം, മിക്കവാറും ഉണ്ടാവും. മാർക്കറ്റ് പലപ്പോഴും അങ്ങനെയാണ് കാണിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ നല്ലൊരു റാലി കണ്ടേക്കും ഇനി സോൺ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ. സോ അതിനു വേണ്ടി ആയിരിക്കാം താഴേക്ക് വന്നിട്ട് ഈ ലിക്വിഡിറ്റി എല്ലാം സ്വീപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ബാക്ക് ടു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ Nifty has been trading in 24,500 to 25,100 for more than 20 days now, as we said, and that could be due to the lack of liquidity in the market. So lack of liquidity means there is not enough money in the market. Okay, so in that case, even institutions or whoever it is, they have taken the money out of market. When will they put it in? When they feel that market has come down to the very good valuation or a lower level. Okay, and from here there is all possibilities that market go up. When they feel so, they pump money into the market, and that might be from the 24,500 levels too. So from the 24,500, if market is to rise up then above 700 or the 800, then I feel in all possibilities market could be breaking the 25,100 zone, and then there is, as per the charts, we don't see much of a resistance. It might be to the all time high then. Okay, so for that market might be this is, I feel this definitely is a manipulation stage. The institutions are pulling the market down or taking the market down to this level so that they can get good things, good price stocks at a very good price possibly, and we'll see. And YP, what is your target for today? If 600 is broken again, I am expecting 500. Why not 500? And I'll be happy to trade in 24,500 put. $24,500 is currently at 38. And towards the put side, I won't be taking good enough quantities, maybe 2 lots, 3 lots, that's it. Okay, I'll be just safe there. And on the call side, if I get a strength, I'll be more than happy to take 7 to 8 lots. Again, this has proven to be a trend line which Nifty has been following for 26 May. Today is 3rd of June. 1 week now. Okay, 1 week, that many trading sessions. So this is one. There is one good zone here also. So here is one support, here is another support, and which is the 650 range. Yes, sorry, yeah. And our portion should be in profits now. Yes, coming to profits. So later, if nothing looks wrong, I'll be happy to add 40 more quantities at around 20 rupees, which might give me another 800 whatever. Okay. Just so that I can just compensate for my brokerages, some additional profits. Again, those are small things which we can do. Nifty is coming up again, but it is to be seen whether Nifty can break the swing high of this 0.382 level, and then we have the Fibonacci level at 0.5. So towards the upside, I am not betting on anything until Nifty breaks the 800. So if we want scalping opportunities, definitely we can consider that at 0.5. Considering 0.382 as a stop loss, at 0.5 we can go for 0.618 or above, but not doing it today, because that's what the market tells me. That's what, as far as I have studied, that's what my intuition tells me. So I'll not be jumping into trades. We will again track 24,700. Yes, 24,700, 24,650, 24,650, 650 first, 700, 600, 650, 700. So 600. $600, 24,600. 24,600 put options higher, obviously, has to be expected. 24,650 put sellers leading now. Okay, 650 is acting as a support, slight support, nothing confirmed yet. 700 puts are increasing, calls are stagnating, but the difference is considerable. There is good call selling at 24,700 too. The difference is considerable. Almost 1.2 million sellers at 24,700. Only 400k put sellers at 24,700. 400k put sellers, 1.2 million. 3 times of that call sellers. So call sellers are definitely leading there. We'll see what is this. Is a 25. I am getting tempted to put more of my quantity into 79,800, because that makes sense too, because SENSEX being at this 81,150, why not trade at 79,800 is what my intuition is asking me. Rising, so Nifty rising, good, and there is a reasonable spike in call premiums, just reasonable. Above the 700, by around 720 we can consider an entry. Okay, this might just be like yesterday's graph. Okay, very similar, as you can see. Okay, this is very similar to what is happening yesterday. If we look at the charts, made a low, then tried to pull up, then sellers tried to pull back, but at the crucial support of 550, it is pulling up again. So this is at around 600. So Nifty is going up again, and if we are breaking the 700 levels, definitely with the 650 as support. Okay, 650 as support. We can consider a possible entry above 700 with a stop loss of this one. We'll see. And again, those are speculative things. Oh my god. Okay. Nifty is breaking. Okay. Nifty is breaking all the days high. The this one. Where is 1080p? Yes. 60. Start recording. Nifty breaking the resistances, just going up, just shooting up. This one at 150 now, went up to 156. Was at 130. But just I'm just waiting. Okay. So I'm definitely entering more of my positions here. Initially I just want to be safe here. Okay, I'm just adding. Okay, 60 quantities at around 17 rupee. Yeah, fine. Chalo, fine, whatever it is. I'm just okay there. Okay, so 60 into 17 is another 1000 rupee. Fine. So Nifty is getting bullish, and we can definitely consider an entry of this one. But let the candle finish. Let me check if this bullishness is real. Let me not get trapped in anything. Yeah, Amrita Jibin says hi. Hi Amrita. Yes. Good to see you. Good to see you here. Nifty just shot up. Let us see if this candle can sustain. The previous candle was a Maribozu. It's a bullish Maribozu. Ending at the close. Ending at the highest value, closing at the highest value, opening almost at the lowest value. This is a Maribozu, and the next one is showing strength. So Nifty should be showing strength now. And again, we have this resistance which we have been following for n number of days, which is close to 700. So yes, Nifty is doing good, but I have to say there is no considerable spike in option premium. There is a spike. There is no considerable spike from around 140 to 163, but we will have soon 24,900 already. Yes. If Nifty can manage to hit 800 levels, come back to the 750s, then break the 800 again, then I am in for the up move. Where is yes. Okay, we'll go for Nifty here. Yeah, there are some other technical restrictions which we should be aware of, in the sense, as content creators, as YouTubers, which we have to be wary of. So I don't think we are supposed to mark the target levels as well as the stop loss levels just as such. So I'm sorry if I'm unable to mark. Okay, but what I am trading, I can show it here. Okay, there are certain restrictions. I None of us want to get into unnecessary troubles. Even I don't know why that is a concern, marking the levels. Might be because we are influencing people, but I don't know. Doesn't make much of a sense to me. But that's how it is, so we are supposed to follow that. Now there's a spike in the premium. Yes, now we are getting some spike. Now the bulls are conquering. We'll see. Let me now change my view from 600, no need. I have 650, which is of no need. I have 700, yes. 700, 24 700, taking the data. 24 750, also I'm into it. And this one to 24 800. $750 considerable call drop. 700 puts are now above. Yes, put selling is now above the call sellers. Yes, 750 close, but still call sellers slightly higher. 800 again, call sellers have significantly dropped from 1.2 million to less than 900k. Puts are not improving their position too much. No, puts are just gradually increasing. So 800, we'll have to wait. It might take some time for 800 to be breached, is what I feel. Just do not jump into trades if you ask me. Okay, we'll just wait. All we need is just 1 or 2 trades in this day. We'll get that. It is also preferred if yes, I'm sorry, if Nifty goes to the 750 levels, comes down slightly, then pulls back up again, take some liquidity out of this one at these levels, and then pull it back up, it's good. Yes, so I'm left with some funds. Okay, so these are my positions. As you can see, this has gone to, it was 4.2k earlier, it is now gone to 6.4. So 140 into 20, 40 into 20 almost, so 2800 still left to be. So I'll be finishing with 8.5k or more possibly today. Yes, my brother's account too has gone to reasonable profits now. Oh, one lot got exited. And yes, 600. Hmm. 400, now 800. Yes, Adul PK says hello AB. Yes. Hi PK. Changai. Yes. Yeah, thanks everyone for joining. Thanks for your support. Okay. Okay, now we are moving up again. We are moving up again, it seems. Yes. Nifty is moving up again. So this is a question, are we breaching the 800 levels? 800 is where, if 800 is breached, I am in for 850 and 900 and possibly above that. This might be the start of a huge rally. So I'm definitely in for 4 lots if 800 is breached, and the expiry is day after tomorrow, so I need not be hugely concerned, of course, and as the expiry looms close, there is theta decay, but it is day after tomorrow, it is still fine. I may not be holding it overnight too. Nifty currently at 24,740 levels. We have taken up the 24,900 call in the charts. Just place it there. And we are waiting for Nifty to break above the 24,800 levels. If then, I might possibly enter a call option, yes. Until then, no, I am not into anything. Yes. That was not a proper signal, it seems. Nifty is pulling back down. Okay. So 79,600 is there with my brother's portfolio. It is 79,800. SENSEX put, yes, yes, 20. Another 400, so 3.2, yes, that's fine. Again, looking at our positions are still fine. They should be realized to more than 8k by the end of the day. So 2,800 to be realized here, another 800, so 3,600 minus 300, so 3,000 to be realized. 9k, close to 9k should be realized by the end of the day. SENSEX currently at 81,300, yes. My brother has 79,800 put short. In the sense, I am only managing that. 79,800 has been short from his, from my account too. So chalo everyone, I hope you had your breakfast. Okay, everyone, I think everyone is doing fine, doing well. 690 is broke. I mean 700 is broken to the downside, it seems. Now, are we heading for the day's low? Yes, in very possible, I guess. Okay, so back to the, oh my god, it's a crash down to 24 650 levels, 640, 630. Oh my god. This is considerably good. Just when we were saying this, everything happened just like that. So Nifty should now be heading very possibly to 24,500 is what I believe. Okay, 24,500 because of the strength of this candle, and if 600 is broken, then I see 24,500 too very quickly. But again, to the put side, I am just being conservative. I don't want to go too aggressive into the put side. Okay. So I just want to play safe here. Just when I was looking at the screen, yes, now very possible that this is being broken. Okay, at around 140, yes. We'll see if there's a small cool off. 24,500 put, only two lots. I'm just ready with that. But only when it close to the 600 and the day's low with strength, then we will see. Possibly it may be at 142, 140, even at 140, that I might take an entry, but I am fine with it. I just want to be playing safe here. But I think depending on this candle, I think 500 is looming large now because of the strength of this candle, the strength and the momentum in which it came down. So this is the chart of Nifty. This is Nifty and this is, yes, the P. Again, it is retracing. It is forming to be a hammer, but we will wait and see. It's only, there's a countdown to bar close. Okay, so still 2.5 minutes left in this candle. We'll wait and see. Nifty coming down to the 600 levels again, means low of 612. Then I am mostly in for this one. 150, only two lots. Let's see how. 145 levels, going to the 620 ranges again. If again the low of this candle is broken, I think 600 should be taken apart then. But as of now, I'm not entering, and I will place possibly 640 to 650 should be my SL, and I will be intending 500. Okay, so again 1:2 ratio. Risk to reward is 1:2, which is fairly good enough. But there is decent enough spike in the premium. I have to say this. Okay, the VIX is also, yes, VIX is increasing. That could also be the reason why. Yes, in this candle VIX has increased from 17 to 17.3, which is considerable. Wick shot up by 1.3% in the single candle. Again, this candle coming down to 600 will be my intuition for entry. Not intuition, my that would be enough for me to enter this one. So okay, so people who are logged in, who are subscribed in, please consider liking the stream, okay, suggesting it to your friends too. If you look at the trades we have taken over the streaming sessions past 3 weeks, you can see the accuracy of our trades and the profits we have made too. Okay, so if you feel like suggesting it to your friends, please do that. That would be motivating for us too. Fine. Please do consider liking the stream also. Again, I am being conservative here. I don't want to be trading with heavy quantities. Okay, my PNL has come from what? 622 55, 6,200, 5,500. I think it should have gone below 5,002 during this previous candle's fall. Abel says hi. Hi Abel. Nifty going to the 600 levels again. I mean, you had margin shortfall, right? Yeah, I exited before they do. Okay, that's fine, it's not a big issue. They exited one lot of my brothers holding positions too. Kochatan lot have exited. GSFC is up by 4.5% today, and this is the first time in some 2 months that we are seeing, I mean this is the second time, we are seeing some good movement in GSFC. So hopefully this is start of something good, something big to, I believe to even higher ranges. I should not be saying exactly where it is going, because of course I don't know. Nobody can tell that with that accuracy. Oh, 79,900, okay, cool. Yes, we had entered 79,800 at around 33. Okay, some at 17, the rest at 33, currently at 23. Okay, chalo fine. GSFC seems to be breaking a crucial, the previous swing high of 209. GSFC. I think Masdok is also doing fine today. Masdok is 1.8% up, GSFC 4% up, 4.5. LT Foods is 1.5 down. Cochin Shipyard 3.7 up. It should be GRC 3.1 obviously. BEML 3.7 up. So defense companies again doing fine, doing well. Yes, this has gone back to above 6,000 now. 662. Chalo fine. Okay, Nifty not letting it drop again. Okay, it is not, doesn't seem to be breaking the 600 as of now, 24,600 as of now. So it is again coming down, playing in this range, sweeping the liquidity possibly. Let it go up, let it go up. Okay. If this one is going up, if 800 is broken, then that is in fact really good, really good. Just when we said that. Right. But again, we are waiting, we are waiting. Okay. So So Nifty is not doing anything in this range now, as of now. വൃത്തികെട്ട മാർക്കറ്റ് അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് അവർ. ഒരു ട്രെൻഡ് തരാൻ വന്നപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ട്രെൻഡ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വേണ്ട. So we are planning to buy a new large monitor, okay, large screen. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. We might be in for a good monitor soon, relatively soon, because that is actually required for detailed viewing of the charts, multiple things. So should I enter GSFC now, saving some money that to be lost in so you don't want to lose money in options, so you're investing in equity. Wise, very wise. Yeah, GSFC, should I enter? How can I say yes or no? I'm not supposed to say yes or no. I have entered. I have GSFC, which is currently flat, so should be fine, I guess. Dr. Nikesh Thakur says hi. I didn't get you. Is that someone else commenting from your YouTube Google account? Is it? Okay. Okay, so soon, okay, yes, Abil, okay, so soon I'll be not very late, but I'll soon be having my PhD defense too. It is to happen in some time, so we'll be stopping the streams again. We'll be taking a break from the live streaming sessions for possibly, we'll stop by this Thursday and we'll see what happens then. We'll possibly see it on later, in the sense I might be having it after June 15 possibly, so some preparations for that and multiple things to be set up, and we'll come back as hopefully, okay, Dr. AB and yes, we'll come back hopefully as Dr. AB and we'll continue this, okay, including the live streaming sessions. Other videos which are on track, which are the preparations, the video shooting, everything is being done. The video series which we are coming up with, the courses we are doing, multiple things. We'll be engaged, we'll be very busy. We'll hopefully have a good journey together. We'll see. Yes. Going to 600. 600 possibly. We couldn't catch this move. One reason is because we are, it just happened so quickly. Okay. The other one being, this was not something which we are actually in for. Okay. So if we draw the Fibonacci here, okay. So from here to here, okay, this has gone up to the just a minute, yes, I'll move it to the right, okay, so that values are right. Okay. Okay, so this has come up to the levels of, okay, from around 24,840, that was the high. This has gone up to the 0.382 region, the very deep pullback region, and coming down again. So if approaching the 600 levels again, it is possibly breaking the 600 615 levels again, then possibly breaking the 599, and then we might be in for 24,500 most probably, is what I believe, most probably. Okay, because this has come down from the deep pullback region of the Fibonacci. So if 24,600 is taken out, I think yes, 24,500. Clear indication of breakdown yet, but this is looking slightly bearish. This has gone down to the 5k levels again, so my funds left is okay, reasonable. So one thing, yes, I have not had my breakfast. Okay. So again, this is our trade setup. If 630 is broken, sorry. Okay, Nifty is currently at 24,630. So this is my trade setup. If 600 levels is broken now, I think we are heading most probably to the 500 levels or below. 500 levels, that is as per the Fibonacci, and else there is no trade until 800 is broken. Okay, within this range I don't want to be trading because there could be so many hiccups, so many breaks in between. Okay, multiple things. So this one at 128, 129, we'll see. So we I might be in for 145 to 175 or 180 maybe if this level is taken out. Okay, so this is my trade setup. Okay, I will just okay, so again this could be my trade setup. Fine. Okay, I'm just taking a short break now. Okay, just to have my breakfast. We'll hopefully come back in 20 minutes time. Thank you. Yes, so everyone, welcome back. Yes, I saw something happening in Nifty. Why did you select OTM 150 points away from spot, which is 150 points away? No, it was not 150, it was 100 points away. Okay, it was, yes, it was a false breakout at 24,600. Even I had entered, I had to exit at the cost. Okay, I had entered at around 140, and yes, I saw it going up to 155 something, but I had to exit at 140 itself, 140, 141. So that was a false breakout. So again, didn't make any profits there, no considerable profits. But again, this is the, it hit the 650 levels. Yes, I can see that. If I was also holding, I would have left it with my stop loss. So our trade, to be honest, our trade didn't go as expected, but then it is coming back again. So again, I take no claim to for me to be right there. No, why did you take 150 points away from the spot? Okay, CS is asking that question. One thing is, it was not 150 points away from the spot, it was 100 points away from the spot when Nifty was coming below 24,600. That's when we had entered. Okay, that is one thing. The next thing being, the slightly OTM options will give more acceleration in terms of percentage when the market starts to move. Okay, if you study the option Greeks, if I want to explain that, it might take another whole hour. Okay, one full class for that. So I'm not doing that now, but basically that's how it is. Okay, so that generally gives you the most acceleration. But now see, this is coming down again. Okay, it just came up to hit our SL, just came down again. But again, I am not very confident about this trade again. This seems to be good, but already having tested this one once. So this was my trade 24,500. That was just 300. I also exited at cost. Basically, I made nothing out of it. It was not profitable for me to. Again, I expected this one to go from here to what, the 170, 172 levels. It went only up to the 160 levels. I saw that. Yes, many of yours SL might have been hit, but definitely keep it there. Okay, whatever happens, if your SL is hit, that is absolutely fine. You make small losses, that is absolutely fine. The profits we will be making will be generally huge, so do not be concerned about that. Now it has gone to the 141 range again, might be playing there. So but DK would be high even with slight reversal or sideways. Okay, now when is the DK high? Okay, CS is telling that. Okay, when is the DK? DK is high towards when we are closing in on the expiry. So today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday as well as the Thursday. Tomorrow is Wednesday and we have the expiry day after tomorrow. And now when you take an expiry slightly OTM, the beta as well as the Vega, if it supports, will take this premium to, in terms of percentage, takes it on an exponential curve. Okay, and that for the ITM options, or let's say in terms of put the OTM options. Okay, yes, if you take the slightly OTM options, that DK factor might be less, but then again, we are not intending it to hold for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. For this trade might last for maybe 30 minutes. Okay, that's it. And the time decay factor in this 30 minutes is negligible. Okay, that decay factor is negligible as far as the trades which are concerned, which we are taking. Okay, so hence we go for slightly OTM, and that is generally the case we do. Okay, in the sense, if Nifty is going up from here, we'll be aiming for 24,700 or 24,800 calls. In terms of percentage, that is giving me the best returns, and that is scientifically proven too. So depending on the option Greeks only, nothing else. Anyway, thank you CS for your query. Yes. So our positions today, okay, still running in profits, normal profits. We are not affected by this 50 points, 100 points movement in Nifty, because we are far ITM in terms of the put we sold. Okay, we are far ITM. SENSEX at 80,900 and we are at 79,800 put. So it is a lesser possibility that we should be in trouble. There is a lesser chance. So I can still roll over this 100 quantity of mine to from 9 to 25. That is also possible. Yes, this is breaking down again. I am going to 120. Yeah, even I couldn't make any profits. Okay. Shall we enter again below 24,600? If you are a risk taker, Amal, yes, but have a stop loss. If you ask me, I am not doing today because Nifty has already given a false signal. This might be testing us again, and I think it might take a support at 552, 24,550. There is no considerable negative sentiment. There is only mild bearish view. We have already been tricked once. I'm not into any nonsense. I should not say nonsense. Not into any risky trades. What is capital required for the selling positions? Okay, I can show you that. See, yes, definitely. You go to Sensible, the strategy builder. The things which I have taken is, it's a combination trade. Okay, I have basically done a bull put spread. So if you want to do a bull put spread, I hope you know these things, because we cannot explain all these things in a live session. I'm sorry, but you should be aware of these things. Okay, so if at all for my thing, okay, if at all you are asking about these trades, so to sell the 79,800 put and buy back the 17,500 put, okay, you would require on expiry day, you would require around 85,000 for one lot. That is on expiry day. On a normal day, you would require around 50. On expiry day, additional margin requirements will be there. That is as per the exchange regulations. So you have to expect that. So this is what you should be having today for one lot. It has cooled down to the 148 levels too. Again, playing there, I don't want to be taking too much of a risk. So in that sense, I think I'm stopping my stream now, because I don't intend to go for another put option if market breaks below also. There is no considerable strength as far as I see. Again, I might be wrong. Do your own analysis, please. Okay, and enter into sensible trades. But let me not waste too much of your time sitting in front of the market doing nothing. Okay, so yes, another announcement for all the people out there. We are doing a technical analysis mastery course on this weekend. Almost 4 lakh capital deployed. Yes. So we are doing a technical analysis mastery course this weekend for everyone, all the beginners out there. Okay, people who have been trading but without much technical analysis knowledge. A comprehensive coverage of many indicators, many strategies, many chart patterns, the trend analysis, and everything covered in a 5-hour long session. Okay, and that is to be done from 6th to 8th of this month, means the coming Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So the schedule is like this: Friday from at 9 o'clock we will start. It is via Google Meet. We will start by around 9 o'clock. It is in Google Meet from 9 to 10 Friday, and Saturday morning 7 to 8 a.m. night 9 to 10 p.m. again. Sunday 7 to 8 a.m. night 9 to 10 p.m. So total 5 sessions. This is all as per the IST, Indian Standard Timing. So please do check your own timings wherever you are in. Okay. And I will just post. Okay, I'll just post the Google form link too. Yes. the link for the Google form. I'll just post it here once again. Yes. Okay, so this is the link to join our Google form, the Google form to join the technical analysis mastery course. Okay, where am I? Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, okay, to join the technical analysis mastery course, as you can see here. Fine. Okay, so this is the link to join. Srijit M says hi. Yes, so this will be a pin. I'll just pin this comment too. Okay, in the financial table, where is my live stream? Yes, I'll just pin this comment. So in the pinned chat, you can see the form for registering to our technical analysis mastery course. It is available only at a price of 1599. A technical analysis mastery course available at 1599, where I can see multiple institutes, multiple organizations offering the same for more than 15,000 rupees. Okay, the basics of stock market as well as technical analysis combined. You can never get it for less than 12,000, 13,000. No, nowhere, absolutely. And we are doing it at only for 1,599, and you are getting the live classes from us. You'll also be getting the recorded sessions as well as the lecture notes. Okay, for you to do your own analysis, to have your fundamentals right, fundamentals strong. We are also providing a roundup of the basics of stock market course just before the technical analysis. Okay, so people who are enrolled for the technical analysis course, they will automatically get a pre-session on Thursday night at 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. At 8:30 p.m. you will also be getting a basics of stock market course roundup, so that you can come into the technical analysis course with a very strong foundation too. Okay, because the last week we had done this. I think the week before that, 2 weeks before, we had done the stock market beginners guide program, and many of the people attended, and most of them joined for the technical analysis mastery course too. So we are happy that they are happy with us. Okay, so hence we want to provide them with even more, and also to people who have not been able to attend the same. So we are giving a quick roundup of the basic concepts, and then we will get into the technical analysis course analysis. Fine. So that is to happen on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, pre-office hours and post-office hours, so that everyone is comfortable with their job and studying this one too. This is just a one-time investment which you can use it for your entire lifetime. Your fundamentals, your foundations for technical analysis should be strong by this one, and you can definitely go out, if you wish to be, you can definitely go out there, become a profitable trader. The next day, no. The next week, no. But soon. You have to master the psychology also by doing the trades. But how we are analyzing things can be studied in detail. And you will also get a lifetime community membership with Finance with AB. And we are also offering trading assistance if required. Ideas and suggestions if required for people who have joined the course. So, and all in all, a super bonus course which you can avail only for 1599. Okay, Indian rupee, 1599 Indian rupee. So hope you all make the most of this opportunity, and we'll also be happy to have you. And the registration will close tomorrow, because we are starting the course on Thursday night. So by Wednesday we'll be closing everything, and we'll be giving instructions to we are forming the community. We'll be giving instructions to everyone, and we'll be doing it fadafat. Fine. So see Amal again, should we, the answer to your question, should we enter at 24,600 again? This is the market have shown us the answer to the question. So we have avoided another trade. Okay, better to do that. That's why again market was confusing. Market broke 24,600 at a no man's land. Market is taking a support. So this is, I believe this is manipulation. People are, if the institutions are manipulating the market, taking it probably down to 24,500 levels this week and then pulling back up. We will see. We will wait and see. Okay. So 4 lakhs capital deployed. Yes, that was my capital. CS. Yes. Srijit M says hi. Hi Srijit. Hi. Hope you are doing good. എല്ലാവരും ഉഷാറായിട്ടിരിക്കട്ടെ. നമ്മുടെ ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനാലിസിസ് മാസ്റ്ററി കോഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഗൂഗിൾ ഫോമാണ് അവിടെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ യു ക്യാൻ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ചെക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഔട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ യെസ്, ഐ തിങ്ക് ദാറ്റ്സ് ഇറ്റ് ഫോർ ദ ഡേ. Okay, so basically that's it for the day, and we are winding the session up. Basically did one trade off the stream which didn't click, didn't hit the SL also. Everything looked weak, so had to exit, and now not doing anything. So let my short positions give me profits. It is approaching 7k now. Okay, it is 6,800 as you can see here, approaching 686900. Hoping to take this to what, 9k, close to 9k. Okay, anyway, so everyone present here, thanks for joining in. Okay, we'll see you on Thursday. There is no live stream tomorrow. There is no streaming tomorrow. When we are caught up with multiple things, very busy schedule. We are very sorry for that. But on Thursday, on Nifty expiry, we'll be in back again, and that's the day when we are starting the technical analysis course. In the sense, the roundup course also we are offering on Thursday night. So we will see. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining in. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.